My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are well. We are doing chapter number 3, variations, and we are doing exercise 3.7, and today I will do it's question number 3 and question number 4. These are statement questions and these questions were asked in board exams as long questions. Question number 3, I will do it for you. In Hooke's law, Hooke was a scientist, so it's law on his name. Hooke's law, the force F force applied to stretch a spring varies directly as the amount of elongation S, and the given data is for F equals to 32, S equals to 1.2 inches. Find, there are two things to be calculated. Find number 1, S when F equals to 50 pounds, and number 2, find F when S equals to 0.8 inches. So, solution. Right, so we are given that F is directly proportional to S. Force is directly proportional to the amount of elongation. It means that F is equals to K times S. And the given data is F equals to 32 for S equals to 1.2. Is 1.6 rather, okay. Right, okay. So 32 equals to K times 1.6. 1.6 K equals to 32 okay, and K equals to 32 divided by 1.6, which is equals to 20. Right, so K equals to 20. Let's say it's number 1. Mind you, K has no units. Right, for the first part required, part 1. So we have to calculate S when F equals to 50. Right, so we have F equals to Sk and S equals to F over F. Value is given, S is equal to, sorry, F is equal to 50 and K is equal to 20. Right. So S equals to F over K. S equals to 50 over 20. Right. So if the force of 50 pounds applied, the stretch will be 2.5 inches. Right, and number 2. We have to find a F for S equals to 0.8 inches. Now stretch is 0.8 inches. We have to find the value of F. We have K equals to, so K equals to 20 and S equals to 0.8. So just applying or putting the values, this is 0.8 times 20. So it will be 16 pounds. So these are the two answers, and I hope you understand them well. If there are some doubts, you may contact me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of the video. Feel free of telling me any advice or any suggestions you have. Right, we'll do next question now of the same exercise 3.7. Right, I'm writing the question for you, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button as well. Question number 4 is, the intensity L of the light, the intensity L of light from a given source varies inversely as the square of the distance of the distance d from it. If the intensity is 20, the intensity is 20 candle power at a distance of 12 feet of 12 feet from the source. The source find the intensity at a point. Find the intensity at a point 8 feet from the source. From the source. Right? Okay. So its solution is given that L is inversely proportional to the distance square, or L equals to K over D square, or K equals to LD square. And we have given the information that L equals to 20 and D equals to 12. So we have K equals to L D square. D square is 12 square. Okay. So K equals to 20 times 144, which is equals to 288 times 0. And I have told you that K has no units. Now the requirement. We have to find L, where D equals to 8 feet. Right, so we know that L equals to K over D square. Right, so we know K equals to 2880 and D equals to 8. Right, we have L equals to K over D square. We have K equals 2880 divided by 8 square. So 2880 divided by 8 square is 64. So when we divide it, we get 45. So the answer is L equals to 45 candle power. Right, this is our final answer. I hope you understand the things well. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. And if you want to give the suggestions, you can message me as well. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel. And if you did not subscribe it, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button so you may get the notification of every video in time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the cooperation. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर